I've had the opportunity to live and work in 3 different countries and establish a successful career in the financial services industry. Over my career, I've worked with numerous organizations, and as a result, I know a thing or two about the career hunting process and how to navigate this sometimes difficult path. In this video, we discuss 6 fundamental keys to career hunting success, no matter what industry you're in, type of career you're looking for, or stage of your particular career. Welcome to Kenny's Concepts, where the beauty of knowledge is our passion. The mission of this channel is to share useful insights and tips to help you on your personal and professional development journey. If you're new to this channel or haven't done so already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and bell notification to stay connected and know exactly when a new video comes out. Also, if you like this video, show us some love and give us a thumbs up. We're going to jump right into those 6 keys of career hunting success and discuss what you need to do and the things you need to be mindful of to achieve your career goals. So the first key here is focus. In order to get what you want, you have to know what you want. Consequently, you need to have a clearly defined idea of what you want in a career and be able to communicate that to your prospective employer. You never want to appear desperate, unfocused, unprepared, or generally unaware of what it is you truly want. Employers will simply not take you seriously. As best as possible, try to pinpoint a specific area of focus that you would want to explore. For example, if finance is your broad area of interest, try to seek out a specific area such as commercial banking or capital markets, whatever it is that you may be interested in to actually attack and focus on. The best way to communicate this focus right off the bat, of course, is actually through your cover letter and resume. I actually recently did videos on these 2 topics that I'm going to link up in the YouTube card above and the description below. Be sure to check them out. The second key is your mindset. Mindset can ultimately be the difference between career hunt success or failure. Be realistic about your career stage, qualifications, and job expectations. As a recent graduate fresh out of college, it would be kinda unreasonable to want that senior manager role paying 6 figures. Also, for example, if all your experience is in finance and you're looking to switch careers to say marketing, you may need to take a position that's actually below the current position you're in, or even take a pay cut. Be confident in yourself and your experiences, skills, achievements, and abilities. This is very important, as a lack of confidence will not inspire the confidence of your prospective employer in you. You have to walk the walk, talk the talk, and ensure that they feel and believe that energy. Be proactive. If you're waiting on that job to fall from the sky, chances are, unless you're extremely lucky, that won't be happening. You have to actively get out there and be a hunter. Seek out job postings of interest, networking opportunities, or even ways to broaden or expand your skill set. Be determined. Take possible rejections as a learning experience and do not take it personally. I've been turned down for positions numerous times, and if I were to take those rejections to heart, I would not be where I am today. So keep pushing. The third key is preparation. Being organized is an absolute must. Ensure that all your career hunt resources, including research on your prospective employer, correspondence with network connections, to-do lists, are all easily accessible and in order. The last thing you want to do is miss key deliverables, action items, or follow-ups with your connections or prospective employers. Stay on top of everything related to your career hunt. The fourth key is plan of action. It is important that you devise a plan of execution that is in line with the scope and type of career that you're seeking. There are different methods that can be used during the career hunt process. This includes job boards, organization career sites, networking, job fairs, and the list goes on and on. Usually, the ideal plan of action is to use a combination of these methods, but focus on a few that will actually get you further in your career hunt process. For example, if you're familiar with the usual job fairs that are held in your area and know that typically they don't have the types of jobs or career offerings that you're looking for, it would make no sense to actually go there. On the other hand, if you know that the organization you're targeting solely posts jobs on their career site or online job boards, this is a method that you should be focusing on. And in addition, try to reach out to connections that actually work with this organization to see if you can get any good leads. The fifth key here is follow. The important things here is initiative and persistence. So in a courteous and non-intrusive way, follow up with prospective employers and network leads, whether by phone or email. Try to always stay top of mind during your career hunt process. This is crucial as job offers often go to applicants who take the initiative to make that one more phone call or send that one more email to express their interest and also restate their experiences, qualifications, and skill sets applicable to the particular role. The last thing here is pay it forward. This final key to career hunting success is ongoing and presents itself as an opportunity before, during, and after establishing your ideal career. As you may seek out connections on your career hunt, where possible, be the connection for someone else who is also on their search. The benefit here is twofold. Firstly, you would have achieved fulfillment from just helping someone else during this sometimes difficult path in life. And secondly, this person may be the one to help and steer you in your future endeavors. We recently developed a quick career guide on finding and owning your ideal job. This guide serves as a useful career reference and includes tips on resume and cover letter customization, keys to job hunting success, common interview questions, and other job hunt tips. Check the video description below for the link to download your free guide. In the comment section below, let me know if you have or have had difficulties relating to your career hunt process. I sure know I have. Also, if not, or you've been able to triumph over these obstacles, leave some additional tips down below to help someone else that may be reading. As always, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Until next time, stay blessed.